One of the things we're really excited about in Provo, is certainly our leadership. Bill Prohaska has done a tremendous job out there over the last 7 years. Chad Doring is moving out with his family, and he's been a leader here in Lincoln for a lot of years in the airframe department. Came from our airframe department, is now going to lead the effort in Provo, and just really excited to bring his experience and knowledge, relationships to our facility out there and to our people.
So to complement our workforce that's currently in Provo, which is about 40 people strong, they're highly motivated and very excited about this expansion effort. In addition to that, we're doing a lot of internal recruiting to bring our experienced folks in all different makes and platforms in different disciplines into Provo, with complementing that with the very technical and very highly educated workforce that's out in the Provo, Utah area, and getting them into the Duncan system early before the expansion actually is fully in place, so they can learn the Duncan culture and the Duncan expectations of quality and customer service.
It seems like there's been a desire to have a Duncan facility out west of the Rockies for some time, and we've built a pretty good base these last 7 years of a small core of customers that are coming in on a regular basis, and we're getting a lot of feedback from the entire West that they're going to be very excited when we have full service paint and interior capabilities on site. And our location is very central to the West Coast. When you look at the arc that we are in the center of, we're about an hour and 10-minute flight from Seattle, from San Francisco, from LA, Tucson, Phoenix. So we're very centrally located for that Western clientele.
What our customers will most enjoy about the Provo expansion is the ability to get the full Duncan service and value in Provo instead of going to Lincoln and Battle Creek.
What excites me most about Provo, and I guess long term, it's that it is ultimately that facility will be the growth for this next generation of this business and the next generation of my family. And so Provo is not a plan that's just for 5 or 7 years. It's ultimately a plan that's for 20 and 25 years and beyond.